channel. Today we bring you a very delicious recipe that I think all of you must try. Today we are gonna make garbanzos con acelgas. This is a very delicious and simple recipe. It's too easy to make and it's totally vegetarian. So if you want to know how to prepare this delicious stew, stay with us and let's get started with the ingredients.
Soak 300 grams of chickpeas the night before. The next morning, drain well. Our ingredients for our stew are soaked chickpeas, bread, garlic, chard or spinach, green pepper, onion, a vegetable stock cube, a can of crushed tomato, and sweet paprika. Put the chickpeas in the express pot and cover with water. A couple of fingers of water on top of the chickpeas. Close the pot and when the steam starts to come out, count 20 minutes over medium heat. While we are going to make our sauce, put the bread into cubes and peel and chop the garlic. Fry them in a pan with about 5 tablespoons of olive oil. When they are golden, remove them to a bowl. Chop the green pepper and onion and cook it in the same pan where we have fried the bread and garlic. While it's frying, we are going to mash the bread with the garlic. My mortar is a bit small, so I have to do it little by little. If you have a bigger one, you can do it at once. When our vegetables are tender, add the stock cube. Now remove the pan from the heat and add 1 tablespoon of paprika and stir well. Return the pan to the heat and add the tomato, a little salt and sugar, and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Add the bread and garlic mash to the pan and mix well. Our sauce is ready. When the chickpeas are cooked, add the chard packet to the pot. Close it and cook for 2 minutes more. Add the sauce to the pot and stir carefully not to break the chickpeas. Let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes and it's ready. Thank you very much for watching. If you like Spanish cuisine, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And remember that if you have any questions, we will be very happy to answer your comments. Enjoy!
Time to try it! With this stew, you will get meat for about 6 people. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye!